Dart skill presents similar and congruent shapes. Similar shapes have equal angles on them, but may or may not have the same size. Consider a scalene triangle. And let's say this angle out here is a 40 degrees. And let's have a 80 degrees here. So this one has to be a 60 degrees, so that the sum is 180 degrees. Another scalene triangle with exactly the same angles of 40 degrees, 80 degrees and 60 degrees is said to be similar to this one. So we call them similar triangles because they have equal angles, but they do not have the same size. Similarly, you could have two similar rectangles, similar pentagons, and so on. Congruent shapes, on the other hand, have equal angles and same size. So if we have a triangle that's, let's say, 2 units on one side, 3 units on another side, and perhaps a 4 unit on the third side, you need another triangle with exactly the same side lengths. 2, 3 and 4 to say that the two triangles are congruent. Two shapes are congruent only when you can superimpose or make one of them fit exactly on top of the other one. In the same way, a hexagon is congruent with another hexagon of the same exact size. And a rectangle is congruent to another rectangle that's got the same size. So if the length on this one is 10 units, the length on this one has to be 10 units, and the widths also have to match. Let's say this is a tube. So this one also has to be a tube. The perimeter, the area, everything has to be same. Only then we could say the two shapes are congruent, or in other words, identical to one another.